Hello students, I Aarti ma'am welcome you all to yet another session of English online class. The topic of today's online class is Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom, Chapter 2, First Flight. Let us take NCERT questions. Question first. Where did the ceremony take place? Can you name any public building in India that are made of sandstone? Answer. The ceremony took place in lovely sandstone amphitheatre. It was formed by Union Buildings in Pretoria. The buildings in India are the Red Fort Jama Masjid, North and South Blocks, Parliament House, etc. Question 2. Can you say how 10 May is an autumn day in South Africa? Or why is 10th May 1994 important for South Africa? Answer. It is because of weather and drawing of freedom after about 300 years of white rule. It is also important because of the freedom. Question 3. At the beginning of his speech, Mandela mentioned an extraordinary human disaster. What does he mean by this? What is the glorious human achievement he speaks of at the end? Answer. By this, he means that the white rule in South Africa over the blacks. It lasts very long. It was really a disaster of white men ruling over the black. The glorious human achievement is getting political independence from the white rule by the black natives. Question 4. What does the Mandela thank the international leader for? Answer. He thanked the international leaders for coming to take possession with the native people of South Africa. It is a common victory for justice, peace and human dignity. Question 5. What ideals does he set out for future of South Africa? Answer. He sets out the ideals of liberating his people from various bondages. These are of poverty, deprivation, suffering, gender and other discriminations. Oral comprehension check, page 21. Question 1. What do the military generals do? How has their attitude changed and why? Answer. The military generals discharge their duty. They owe allegiance to their country. They do their duty as per the military provisions. The attitude has not changed. They care more for personal gains than their true duties as the defense rules. Question 2. Why were two national anthems sung? Answer. Two national anthems were sung as there were two main communities or races. One was of the white and the other of the blacks. Secondly, the anthem of the white was the anthem of the old republic. Question 3. How does Mandela describe the system of government in his country? First, in the first decade and in the final decade of the 21st century. Answer. In the first decade of the 20th century, the whites of South Africa patched up their differences. They built a system of radical domination against the black people of their own land. Second, in the last decade, their system has been overturned forever. It was replaced by another. It recognized the rights and freedoms of all people regardless of their skin color. Question 4. What does courage mean to Mandela? Answer. By courage, Mandela means not the absence of fear but the triumph over it. Question 5. Which does he think is natural, to love or to hate? Answer. He thinks that love comes more naturally to human heart than its opposite, hate. Oral comprehension check, page 24. Question 1. What twin obligation does Mandela mention? Answer. He mentioned the twin obligation. One obligation to his family, his parents, his wife and children. Second obligation to his people, his country and his community. Question 2. What does being free man to Mandela as a boy and as a student? How does he contrast these transitory freedoms with the basic and honorable freedoms? Or what did being free mean to Mandela as a boy and as a student? Answer. As a boy, Mandela meant by being free to wander in the fields near his hut. It was to swim, to run through the village. Also, it was to roast mealies at night and to ride the bulls. As student, he meant to be free to stay out at night. It was read what he pleased to read and to go where he chose. It was also to be as per his potential. These were the transitory freedoms, but the basic and honorable freedoms were the freedoms for the people. These were to live in dignity and self-respect. Question 3. Does Mandela think the opposer is free? Why or why not? Answer. Mandela thinks that the opposer is not free like the oppressed. A person who takes away another man's freedom is a prisoner of hatred. He is locked in prejudice and narrow-mindedness. Think about the text, page 24. Question 1. Why did such a large number of international leaders attend the inauguration? What does it signify, the triumph of? Answer. A large number of international leaders attend the inauguration to pay their respects. It signifies the triumph of human freedom and democracy. It also signifies the importance of political independence. Question 2. What does Mandela mean when he says he is simply the sum of all those political patriots who has gone before him? Answer. The author means that, like those patriots, he also felt the great need of political independence of the country. Like them, he also underwent torture by the whiteys in his own country. Question 3. Would you agree that the depths of oppression create heights of character? How does Mandela illustrate this? Can you add your own example to this argument? CBSE 2012. Answer. It is a fact that the more one is oppressed, the more one becomes strong in character. Mandela says that the decades of oppression and brutality produced many patriots. They were like Oliver Tambo, Walter, Chief Luthers, Yusuf, etc. More example for my own side here. There are of Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Lokmanya Gangadhar Tilak, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, etc. Question 4. How did Mandela's understanding of freedom change with age and experience? Answer. First, Mandela thought of personal freedom like doing what one liked, but as he grew up, he started understanding freedom as an indivisible. It is also of his own men. He thought of freedom for all of his people more important than anything else. Question 5. How did Mandela's hunger for freedom change his life? Answer. Mandela's hunger for freedom changed him into a great man, a statesman and a visionary. He worked day and night for it. He underwent physical and mental torture. It was for obtaining freedom for his own people. Thinking about language. They are nouns in text formation government which are formed for the corresponding verbs and governed by suffixing at, shun or meant. They may be changed in spellings or some verb nouns. Such a rebellion constitute constitution. Here is a list of verbs and nouns. Answer. Inauguration, noun, verb inaugurate. Installation, noun, install, verb. Contribution, noun, contribute, verb. Formation, noun, form, verb. Read the paragraph below. Fill in the blanks with the noun form of the verb in the bracket. Martin Luther King's contribute in our history as an outstanding leader began when he came to the dash of rose. Answer. Contribution, assistance, subjugation, humiliation, imprisonment, resistance. Using the definite article in names. Here are some more important examples of the used with proper names. Try to say what these sentences mean. First, Mr. Singh regularly invites the Amitabh Bachchan and Shah Rukh Khan to his party. Second, many people think Madhuri Dixit is Madhubala of our times. History is not only the story of Alexander, the Napoleon and the Hitler, but the ordinary people as well. Page 25. Answer. I think by such a usage, the author gives more importance to such people who were like these, great patriots in every way. Mr. Singh regularly invites the Amitabh Bachchans and the Shah Rukh Khans to his party. This means that Mr. Singh regularly invites Amitabh Bachchan and Shah Rukh Khan to his party. The invitees are not exactly these film stars but other persons. They are similar in nature many ways to these stars. It means Madhuri Dixit. Second, it means Madhuri Dixit has all traits of Madhubala, though she is not that. Third, history is not only the story of Alexander, the Napoleon and the Hitler, but of ordinary people as well. As to the conclusion of this session, whole NCERT questions have been discussed.